The surge in enthusiasm for 1990s Ford trucks is impossible to ignore, especially as their market values continue to climb steadily. Among these, the Ford F-150 from that decade stands out, not just because it's simpler and less tech-heavy than today's feature-packed luxury-oriented pickups, but also because it remains surprisingly affordable. Even well-maintained examples with low mileage are within reach for many enthusiasts. Now, adding to the excitement, a rare 1998 Ford F-150 NASCAR Edition pickup is set to go under the hammer, offering collectors and fans a truly unique piece of automotive history to chase. This particular 1998 Ford F-150 NASCAR Edition will be auctioned at Mecum's 2025 Indy Fall Special event next month, and it's a remarkable vehicle for several reasons. Only 3,000 of these special editions were ever made, each designed to celebrate the thrilling world of NASCAR racing. What makes this one even more extraordinary is its incredibly low mileage, just 825 miles on the odometer, and the fact that it has been owned by a single person since new. This combination of rarity and near pristine condition makes it a standout in the collector truck market. Given its limited use, this NASCAR Edition F-150 is in exceptional shape. The black exterior paint appears virtually flawless, complemented by distinctive NASCAR Edition graphics that pay tribute to the sport. The truck also features unique 16-inch wheels styled after the racing versions, along with color-matched side mirrors and a front bumper that enhance its sporty appearance. Step inside, and you'll find NASCAR Edition embroidery on the seats, adding a touch of exclusivity. The interior is equipped with practical features such as a tilt steering wheel, air conditioning, cruise control, and an AM/FM cassette stereo system, typical comforts of the era. Impressively, the truck still retains its original window sticker and interior protective plastic, underscoring how well it has been preserved. Under the hood, power is delivered by a naturally aspirated Ford 4.6-liter V8 engine, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. The rear axle is equipped with 3.73 gears, balancing performance and everyday drivability. This setup reflects the straightforward, no-nonsense engineering that made these trucks reliable and popular. This NASCAR Edition F-150 is just the latest in a growing list of well-maintained 1990s Ford trucks that have caught our attention recently. For example, we recently came across a pristine 2000 Ford F-150 Flareside with only 27,000 miles, a 1997 XLT with 37,000 miles, a 2001 XLT with 40,000 miles, a 2001 XL with 43,000 miles, and a 1999 Lariat boasting just 45,000 miles. Each of these trucks highlights the increasing appreciation for this era of Ford pickups, which combine classic styling with solid, dependable mechanics. But here's where it gets controversial. Are these nostalgic pickups truly worth the rising prices, or is the market inflating beyond reasonable value? Some argue that modern trucks offer far superior technology, comfort, and efficiency, making these vintage models more of a collector's curiosity than practical vehicles. Others believe that the simplicity and character of these older trucks are exactly what make them priceless. What do you think? Are these 1990s Ford trucks a smart investment or just a sentimental indulgence? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below.